Hello student, today we will learn how to multiply polynomials. Let's see this example, 6x cubed, this is only one term, and times by 5x squared. So this 6x cubed is a monomial and 5x squared is also monomial. Monomial means only one term. This is one term, 6x cubed, and 5x squared is also one term. So we are multiplying here monomial with monomial. So when we multiply monomial with monomial, we multiply number by number. So we multiply 6 by 5, and then we multiply variable with variable. Now, to multiply polynomial, when the variables are same, what we do, we add the powers. So this rule is called product rule. So what is a product rule? When we multiply two exponential expression with the same base, what we do, we add the powers. We write the variable once and add the power. For example, x raised to the power of a times x raised to the power of b. We are multiplying these two variables. Now, the base here is x, the base here is x. So, both bases are same. So, we write x as it is and we add the power. So, x raised to the power of a plus b. So, remember, when we multiply variables, if variables are same, we add the power. Let's see this example. So, we multiply 6 by 5. We know 6 times 5 is 30. And then see here, the base here is x, the base here is x. Both bases are same. So what do? We add the power. So what do? 6 times 5 is 30 and x raised to the power 3 and x raised to the power 2. So when we add 3 and 2, what do we get? 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is how we multiply monomial with monomial. Let's see how we multiply monomial with binomial. See this example. 5x is only one term. So this is a monomial. And in the bracket, there are two terms, 7x squared and minus 8. So two terms means binomial. 2 means binomial. So how we multiply monomial with binomial? So what we do, 5x, we multiply the first term of the polynomial which is inside the bracket. So we multiply 5x with 7x squared. Then we multiply 5x with 8. Now what I did here, I put x raised to the power of 1 because there was no power given with x. So if no power is given with any variable, it means the power is 1. So we multiply first 5 with 7 and then these two bases are same. So we add the power. So what do you get? 5 times 7 is 35. Here x exponent power 1, x exponent is 1, x exponent is 2. Or you can say x raised to the power of 1 and x raised to the power of 2. So we add because both bases are same. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 35x cubed. Now we will multiply 5x with 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. And there is x raised to the power 1 here. There is no x here. So we write x as it is. So 35x cubed minus 40x. So let's see how we multiply binomial with binomial. See, this first bracket, there are two terms, 3x squared and minus 4x. So there are two terms with binomial. Same here, these are two terms. So both are binomial. So we are multiplying binomial with binomial. So how we multiply binomial with binomial? So first term is here is 3x squared. So we take this 3x squared and multiply with the second bracket. So first we multiply 3x squared with 2x cubed. Then we will multiply 3x squared with 5x to the power of 4. And then we will take minus 4x and we will multiply with 2x cubed. Then we will multiply by 5x exponent 4 or 5x power 4. Or there is another method to remember to multiply binomial with binomial, that is called FOIL. So what is the meaning of FOIL is, FOIL, F means first, O means outer, I means inner, L means last. So let's use FOIL method to multiply these two polynomials. So first, what is first here? In the first polynomial, first is 3x squared. In second polynomial, what is the first term? 2x cubed. So we will multiply 3x squared times 2x cubed. Now second is outer. Which two terms are outer? Here 3x squared is outer, right? And then 5x power 4 is outer. So we will multiply 3x squared with 5x power 4. Remember what sign we will put here. So you should know the rules of integer, how we multiply integer. So if you see this one, the first one, right? So this is positive, this is positive. So positive times positive is positive. So this is positive. So usually we don't write positive in the beginning. Second, 3x square is positive, 5x4 is also positive. So positive times positive is positive. Right? Next is inner. Which number or which terms are inner here? Minus 4x is inner and 2x cube is inner. So before multiplying, you should put the sign. So this sign is here is negative and here it is positive. So negative times positive is negative. So put negative and multiply 4x with 2x cube. That's the inner, right? And then last is 4x and 5x power 4. So before you multiply, this is negative, this is positive. Negative times positive is a negative. So put negative sign and multiply. So outer here is 4x and 5. So multiply. Now we will multiply. Remember, when the variables are same, we add the power. So 3 times 2 is 6. And when we add these two, we get 6x raised to the power of 5. Then we will multiply this. 3 times 5 is 15. And both variables are same. So this is x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 4. So using the product rule, we add 2 plus 4 is 6. So we will get 15 x raised to the power of 6. Then see here, there is no exponent or no power is given. So what is the power here? 1. And power here is 3. Both variables are same. Using the product rule, we add the power. So 4 times 2 is 8. And this is 1, this is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So what do you get? Minus 8x raised to the power of 4. Next one, we multiply 4 with 5. Here x is raised to the power of 1. Here x is raised to the power of 4. So 1 and 4 is 5. So what do you get? Minus 20x raised to the power of 5. Now what we'll see, once we write this, now we'll see if there is a like term. Like terms means variable and its power should be same. Those terms will be like terms. So if you see 6 exponent 5 or 6x raised to the power 5 and this is 20x raised to the power 5. These two terms are similar terms. So we will solve these. No other term is similar. Only two terms are similar. This is positive 6 and this is negative. Use integers rule. One positive, one negative, what will do? Subtract and sign of the bigger number. So positive 6 and negative 20, we will subtract, we get 14. Because 20 is bigger, we will get negative 14 x raised to the power of 5. All other terms we will write as it is. Plus 15x 6 minus 8x power 4. Then after that, I suggest you to write in the increasing order. Increasing order here means you write the highest power first and then in the decreasing order. So 15x raised to the power of 6 minus 14x raised to the power of 5 and minus 18x raised to the power. See, these powers are in decreasing order. So write always the highest power first and then go in decreasing order. So this is a very good method to multiply binomial using the FOIL method. Thank you very much.